Second question, find the product by suitable rearrangement. You have to rearrange and you have to give and you have to find the product. Okay, so first subdivision, 2 into 1768 into 50. So this is equal to, as I told you in the previous sum, that is in sum number 1, we are collecting the numbers. Just when you add the two numbers, you should get the unit digit as 0. The same concept, if you multiply the unit digit, you should get 0. So if you just see 2 and 8, 2 8s are 16. We are not getting 0. But if you see 2 into 0, we get 0, and similarly 8 into 0 also 0. You can choose any number. So let me choose 2 into 50 first, and then the next one is 1768 later. So this is equal to 2 into 50, this gives 100 into 1768. On multiplying, what happens? 1768 as it is, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So the answer is 1,76,800. So the answer is 1,76,800. Next, subdivision B. So we completed subdivision A. Now subdivision B, 4 into 166 into 25. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Now when you check here, 4 5s are 20. So you can collect 4 into 25 into 166. So this is equal to 4 5s are 20, balance 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10 into 166. So this is equal to, when you multiply 166, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So the answer is 16,600. So the answer is 16,600. So we completed subdivision B. Now third subdivision. Third subdivision. The question is 8 into 291 into 125. So this is equal to, now you just check it, 8 1s are 8, but here 8 5s are 40. So 8 into 125 into 291. So this is equal to 125 into 8. If we multiply, 5 8s are 40, balance 4, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, balance 2, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. 1000 into 291. So this is equal to 291 as it is, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000, lakh. So 2,91,000 is the answer. Next, moving towards the fourth subdivision. So here we completed the third subdivision. Next, fourth subdivision. Subdivision D. 625 into 279 into 16. So this is equal to, now 9 5s are 45, but if you see 6 5 6 are 30. So we can collect 16 into 625 into 279. So let us multiply 625 into 16. So 6 5s are 30, balance 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, balance 1, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 1 37. Next, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6 are 6, 0, 5 plus 5 10, 7 9 10, balance 1, 3 plus 6 9, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 1 10. So it is 10,000. So this is equal to 10,000 into 279. So 279 as it is, how many zeros? 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. So we get 27,90,000 to be the answer. Okay, so this is the answer for subdivision 4. So we completed fourth subdivision. Now moving towards the fifth subdivision. Subdivision E, 285 into 5 into 60. 285 into 5 into 60. So here, which two numbers we can club? Either you can collect 5 zeros or 0, and similarly here also you can collect 5 zeros or. So it is your choice. Let me collect a small number first. 5 into 60 into 285. So this is equal to 5 into 60. So 5 into 60 gives 300. 300 into 285 equal to 285 into 300. So it is enough to multiply only with 3. After that we can put zeros. Okay. 3 5s are 15. Balance 1. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Balance 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So the answer is 85,500. So 85,500 is the answer. So we completed subdivision E and the last subdivision F. Subdivision F. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. So here you can choose any pass. Okay, 125, 5 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 0. So you can collect as it is. 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. 8 into 25. So this is equal to, now let us multiply 125 into 40. 4 5s are 20. Balance 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. Balance 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. And we have 1 0. So let us include that 0. So it is 5,000. 5,000 into, next value is 25 into 8. 8 5s are 40. Balance 4. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. 200. So this is equal to, now 5 2s are 10. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is, the answer is 10 lakh is the answer.